dog. This is one of my most favorite exercises to train. It looks very simple, but it's very challenging. You're going to walk out into a beautiful tabletop position. Your hands are directly underneath your shoulders. Your knees are directly underneath of your hips. You want to push through your chest to engaging your core. Now, as we use opposite arm, opposite leg to press and lift and hold, you want to make sure that you're lifting from the shoulder and lifting from the glute. Pulling and squeezing. This exercise is done very slowly, developing that core strength, building up your stability, and also working on that flexibility. Very slow, very controlled. Using the shoulder to lift and using the glute to lift will ensure that you use all of the correct muscles on this one. Your whole goal is slow and steady and building power and strength. I hope you have a great workout and we'll see you again.